I'm Forrest Saunders, standing out in front of the state Supreme Court, where on Monday, justices upheld the state's 15-week abortion ban, which sets the stage for a more restrictive 6-week abortion ban to come online in just 30 days. But the justices also greenlit a path for voters to change things come November. Take a look. After more than a year of fighting in state courts, Florida's highest upheld the 15-week abortion ban Monday. Justices in a 6-1 decision said Florida's Constitution lacked privacy protections for abortion access. It means a 6-week abortion ban will now take effect 30 days from April 1st.
Yes on 4! Yes on 4!
It was what abortion advocates feared. The Sunshine State now set to become one of the most restrictive in the country, with limited exceptions for rape, incest, and health.
The 6-week ban is basically a complete ban, and that represents a big problem because I would say that more than half of the patients do not have a clue that they're pregnant by 6 weeks.
But justices also delivered a path for change, greenlighting Amendment 4 for the November ballot. If 60% of voters approve, Florida returns to the point of viability, about 24 weeks, or, quote, when necessary to protect the patient's health as determined by the patient's health care provider.
This is not a partisan issue. It's a health care issue.
That's Lauren Brunzell. She's heading the Yes on 4 campaign and says to expect a massive effort to get it approved as November nears. The focus? Simple.
So we want folks to know what's at stake. A yes vote on 4 is a vote to stop the 6-week abortion ban, but it's also a vote to remove politicians from this process more broadly.
Florida's anti-abortion advocates already mustering to fight back.
What Florida hasn't done is an outright ban on abortion with no exceptions. We begin when a child has a heartbeat.
Florida's House Speaker and lawmakers behind the 6-week ban now calling for Amendment 4's defeat. They consider the ballot initiative too broad and dangerous, warning it will eliminate nearly all of the state's current abortion restrictions.
This amendment rolls us back to the dark ages, before advancements in science and medicine, before Roe versus Wade. It is broad, it is far-reaching, it is dangerous, it is wrong for Florida.
Meanwhile, Democrats see the ballot amendment as a potential driver for turnout and their candidates. That's despite Florida Republicans having a margin of about 850,000 more registered voters. Even President Joe Biden's campaign was feeling like Florida was in play. That's after losing it by about 3 points last time. Biden's team in a memo listed the amendment as a reason there was a, quote, opening in Florida come November. At the Capitol, Forrest Saunders, ABC Action News.
The Tampa Bay Abortion Fund, an organization that helps pregnant people access and pay for abortion care outside of Florida, says the demand for their services hit unprecedented highs last year. They funded more than 2,600 callers, including 303 women traveling out of their home state. Also, more than 650,000 others in appointment costs and more than 67,000 in practical support.